Hey guys, James Paradise. This is all part of your water workout. So listen, I'm at the pool. We're at a rooftop pool right now. It's not a big pool, it's kind of short, but it's just enough size where I can do some laps back and forth. Swimming is the #1 exercise in the world. It works your whole body, right? So you need to find a pool, you need to find a lake, you need to find some water where you can swim. If you say I don't have a pool, right? No excuses. Now you might have to go to the gym that has a pool or use a friend's pool, but you need to get in the water. This is the best exercise in the world. Any doctor will tell you this. And now I'm going to show you a couple of simple exercises you can do literally, again, within 10 minutes or less every single day and get your ass in shape. Let's do it, pal. Hey guys, okay, James Paradise back. We're doing our water workout. Here's the first exercise. You're gonna do what's called freestyle. You're gonna swim, keep your hands cupped like this. Here's the secret. You have to swim your ass off. You're gonna swim like an Olympic swimmer and you're gonna do 10 laps, okay? I'm just gonna do a quick 1 or 2 laps just to show you how this works, but you wanna go mucho rapido, fast as you can, then get your whole body moving, okay? Here we go. Ready? Number 1. Okay, there we go. That was only 2 laps, and look, I'm completely out of breath, and that's exactly what you want. Too many people, they exercise, they go to the gym, they spend an hour, 2 hours there, and they take their time. No, you want to move super fast. Look, completely out of breath, and I just did 2 laps. Your job is to do 10 laps. 10 laps, okay? Let's go to the second exercise. 10 exercises. We're in the pool right now. Our water workout. Wow, I'm out of breath. Let's do number 2. Exercise number 2. Again, we're in the pool. We're in Mexico. We're in the Caribbean right now. The beach is right over there. I'm just giving all of you a couple things you can do every day. You can do this every day, 7 days a week, or you set your own schedule. Or if you want me and my team, we'll set you up a private, personal schedule around your life and your business. But this is the second swimming we want to do. We're going to go backwards. Okay, you're not going to do a backstroke, not yet. You're just going to go like this. You're going to push the water and squeeze your chest like this. You're swimming like this, like a frog, backwards, and you're squeezing your chest. Watch. Here we go. Kick your feet. It's going backwards. Speed. Okay, here, come back. So this is the motion. You're kicking your feet, okay? And you're going like this. So you're squeezing your arms, it's shoulders, everything. Squeeze, you're pushing like this. It's an amazing workout. You need to do 10 reps, 10 times, back and forth, okay? That's my water workout in the pool. Number 2, let's get to number 3. Look, I'm completely out of breath. Here we go, back water workout. I'm showing you guys how when you work from home, you make money on the internet. Sometimes you can't get to the gym. Sometimes you don't want to go to the gym, right? You don't have time or you're lazy. Well, this is no lazy. No being lazy. No excuses. You're going to find a pool, some water. We're going to do some exercises. You can do this every day, 2-3 times a week. It gets you in shape. The secret, here's the secret. Fast. Go fast. Rapido. No slow. You want to get out of breath. So your whole body, all your muscles you're using. This time we're going to go forward. This is called the breaststroke. Breaststroke. They swim this in the Olympics. And it's like a frog, and I'm going to show you how to do it. But when you do it, keep your hands like this, pushing the water away from you, squeezing your whole upper body like this. Okay, here we go, watch. Okay, like a frog, like this, kicking your legs, like a frog. And breathe. 4, 5. Okay, just that little swimming. I'm already out of breath. Look, because I was trying to push as fast as I can, as hard as I can, right? You're squeezing everything. It gets you toned. I'm telling you, if you do everything I'm showing you, in the next 10 days, you will feel and look completely different. And you don't need to go to the gym, hit all these weights. Now, you bigger guys, of course you want to do that, but I'm talking for the average normal person, like a mom, or you're a stay-at-home mom, or you're a doctor, or you're a lawyer, you're working 70, 80 hours a week, you don't have enough time. This gives you 10 minutes of each set, 10 minutes, you can do these exercises, okay? This is how I keep in shape, okay? People ask me, how do you keep in shape? I'm showing you right now. So let's go to number 4. Here we go. Back at the pool workout. This water workout. Wow, we're having a lot of fun, right? Hey, and again, this is not taking me a lot of time. This takes me minutes a day, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, you can walk away from your desk, walk away from your computer and your phone, shut it off, turn it down for about 10-15 minutes, and do these exercises every single day. It wakes you up, it gives you energy. You don't need Red Bull, you don't need all these energy drinks, you don't need coffee. You need mucho agua and mucho exercise. Quick, fast spurt using your whole body. I'm telling you, it's the #1 way to look good in your life. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a backstroke. We're gonna do a backstroke. Let me show you how it works, okay? If you don't know how to do a backstroke, learn how to do it. Watch me, watch. You're gonna kick your feet very fast, and then you're swimming like this, okay? Keep your hands cupped like this. Watch, here we go. Okay, as fast as you can go. Okay, that's what you wanna do, right? 10 laps, 10 times. And I know, believe me, you will not be able to do this in the beginning. You gotta work, look, I'm out of breath, look. You have to work your way up to it. So if you do 1 lap, take a break, 2 laps, but you need to do 10 laps total. I don't care if it takes you an hour, you need to do 10 laps, 10 repetitions, 10 minutes. I want you to get to the point where in 10 minutes, you can do all these exercises, okay? We're gonna do one more in the pool. This one's easy, but it's gonna get you in shape. Okay, please believe me, this stuff works. My water workout. Let's go. Listen, water workout, this is number 4. This one is really cool. Anybody can do this, but again, you're using the water as friction to get some tone and muscles. Not big, but just, you know, to look slim and thin and look better, like I'm trying to do. I'm on a 10-day, 10 minutes. Actually, I'm doing more. I'm doing like 20, 30 minutes a day for the next 10 days to lose some weight, to get back in shape. But this one is really cool. So look, watch. You're gonna actually walk, but you're gonna run. You're gonna run in the pool, right? Now you need to find a pool, even if it's a small little jacuzzi or bathtub, you can do this running back and forth like this. But here's the secret. Again, it's not what you do, it's how you do it. Let me say that again. Any professional trainer, doctor will tell you, it's not what you do, it's how you do it. It's not what you eat, it's how you eat. It's not what you do for a job or business, it's how you do your job or business. That's what most people, 99% of the people out there don't understand that. Millionaires understand that, okay? It's how you do it. So watch, you're gonna take your hands like this. When you're walking or running, you're crossing your arms like this, and you're pushing the water, and you're squeezing here. You're squeezing right here, this is what I'm trying to get rid of this little thing right here. Okay, so you're pushing, and you're running at the same time. And it looks easy. It's not. This is very hard. It's mucho dificulte. So you're kicking, and you're running like this. But here's the secret: you're pushing the water, and you're twisting. See how I'm twisting? Twist, 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 twist. Keep your hands like this, not like this. This is no good. Like this. Twist, twist, twist. And you're running. Here, watch. Here we go. Ready? Okay, twist, push. You're pushing and twisting at the same time. I can see in the glass. You're working every muscle. Look, I'm out of breath. Just in 30 seconds. You need to do 10 of those. 10, back and forth, 10 times. Okay, pushing, twisting, and running in the water. Excellent. This is an amazing exercise, guys. Water workout. That was number 4 or 5. I think we got one more and that's it, because I'm about to have a heart attack teaching you guys how to do this. Again, I'm showing people, answering your question, how do you keep in shape as a online entrepreneur, making your money online? That's what I do. And then I take breaks, maybe once or twice a day. I take a break. I do these exercises. I'm telling you, it works. And we're using all natural water, no gym membership. Let's get to the last one, pal. Paradise here. We're back in paradise. We're in the Caribbean. My water workout. Here's the next exercise, okay? And I want you to do this. It really works. We're just using water. You can go buy this water for like $1.50, $2. Here in Mexico, this is like $1, not even, okay? And you can drink it. So, you know, here in Mexico, the water, you're not supposed to drink it. So we buy water. It's filtered water, but I'm using it to exercise because everybody I talk to says I don't have time to go to the gym. Well, guess what? Don't be a loser. Do what I do. Exercise every day doing this. Now this, we're gonna run and we're gonna punch like a boxer. You're using this for weight. And believe me, this is not easy, okay? So you're gonna run, I'm gonna run here and show you how to do it, and then you're just gonna box, you're like boxing, right? Like a UFC boxer or a boxer, okay? That's all we're doing. You're gonna do 10 laps, just like this, okay? And then you come back. Now remember, you wanna go as fast as you can, like this. This is really how you wanna do it, like this. And you wanna do this 10 times, 1, 2, 3, 10 times, like a UFC fighter. Okay, like a boxer. Sometimes you can go like this, and it's working your whole body. 10 laps, okay? And look, I just did that for 30 seconds. I'm out of breath, okay? Excellent, excellent water workout. You can do this, okay? So that's number 5 in the pool. I think right now we're gonna take all this, because this is a lot of stuff, all these different exercises. Most of you watching this will not be able to do this in the beginning. I want you to start it, and every day do more, do a little bit more, do a little bit more. The next day you're gonna be sore. Keep going, stretch out, do what you need to do. Get your ass in shape while we make money online from home. It's the best lifestyle in the world. No traffic, no job, I work from home, I exercise at home, beautiful, I live wherever I want. That's the secret lifestyle that most people want. I'm giving it to you right now and I'm showing you how to stay in shape. Water workout, right? Okay, let me conclude this. Here we go. Pow, 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 pow. So for those of you who've been making comments saying, James, we love this. What do you do? How do you make money? What do you do for a living? How do you do your advertising, your marketing, your social media? How do you stay in shape? These videos are showing you sometimes this is what I do. Actually, I do this all the time. Okay, I work from home. I got a rooftop pool. I'm in the Caribbean. I travel the world, and I have everything I need. And I live a very, very simple lifestyle. However, to stay in shape sometimes is tough, right? So I'm showing you my water workouts. You can do this for 10, 20, 30 minutes a day. If you really want to go crazy, spend an hour, maybe not more, because you want to make money, right? So little quick 10, 15, 20-minute workouts. My 10-minute, 10 exercise, 10-minute, 10 exercise, 10 repetitions, 10 times. Water workouts work. Try and say that 10 times fast, right? That was supposed to be funny, all right? So water workout, 10 exercises, 10 minutes a day, 10 repetitions. Everything I'm showing you how to do. You do the water workout in the pool as well. No excuses, find a pool. Get your ass in shape while you're making money online, living this magnificent paradise lifestyle, okay? No excuses. Subscribe. If you love these videos, I'm gonna keep making more every day. Subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell below. Make sure you get all my videos. I have lots of relationships and partners throughout the world. We make money together, and that's what I'm showing you how to do. Get your ass in shape while you make a fortune online, offline, real estate, whatever you're going to invest in. I'm going to show you different things you can do in your life to live a paradise lifestyle. I'll see you on the next video. Subscribe, like, notify, all that stuff. Let's get in shape, pal.